In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Notion database to Notion Calendar. We'll go through the full setup process together so you can link your tasks or projects from Notion and view them directly inside Notion Calendar. This is a great way to keep your schedule and your database in sync, especially if you use Notion to manage deadlines, content plans, or personal tasks. To get started, open Notion Calendar on your device. If you haven't used it before, make sure the app or web version is fully loaded so you can access the main calendar view without interruptions. Next, sign in using your Notion account. Be sure to use the same account that contains the workspace and database you want to connect. This is important because if you sign in with a different account, the database may not appear later in the setup process. Once you're signed in, connect your calendar account, such as Google Calendar. This allows Notion Calendar to display your existing calendar events alongside the information you'll be bringing in from Notion. During this part of the setup, you may be asked to choose the calendar account you want to use if more than one is available. After that, allow the required permissions. These permissions let Notion Calendar access the calendar data it needs in order to display and sync your events properly. If you skip or deny any of these prompts, the connection may not work as expected, so it's best to approve them and continue. Now open Notion and choose the database you want to connect. This could be a task tracker, project planner, editorial calendar, or any other database that includes time-based information you want to see on your calendar. Before moving on, make sure the database has a date property. This is essential because Notion Calendar needs a date field to know when each item should appear. If your entries don't have dates assigned, they won't show up correctly in the calendar view. Once that's confirmed, connect the Notion database to Notion Calendar. As you do this, select the correct database carefully so the right items are pulled into your calendar interface. Finally, check that your tasks and events appear correctly in the calendar. Review a few entries to make sure the dates match. Everything is showing in the expected place, and your setup is working smoothly. And that's it. Your Notion database is now connected to Notion Calendar, making it much easier to see your plans, deadlines, and events all in one place.